Hey guys, how's it going? How to use Apple Intelligence on iOS 18. So if you don't know, iOS 8, Apple Intelligence or Apple AI will be available on iOS 18. And basically, let's get to know more about what are the features and what are the things that I'm gonna expect from that feature. So go back to your screen and then go ahead to your browser, right? You're gonna be able to have more capable conversation with Siri. Apple Intelligence uses system-wide intelligence to expand and enhance Siri capabilities. With richer language understanding, Siri is becoming more natural, more contextually relevant, and more personal, and with the ability to simplify and accelerate everybody's everyday tasks. Siri also knows more about your device's features and settings. To learn how to do things with your iPhone, just ask Siri, how do I use AirDrop, or how do I schedule a message for or to send later, right? You're gonna be able to get access to the intelligent features in mail, messages, and photos. In the mail app, priority messages shows your most urgent emails at the top of your inbox. And photos, you can search for specific images by describing what you want to find, and more. Okay, you can also clean up photo editing tool in photos to identify and remove distracting background objects without altering the subject. All right, and you're gonna be able to get more features, right? Image playground, you're gonna be able to create images as well with AI. And messages node, you're gonna be able to create emojis right now with Genmoji, right? So you're gonna be able to access more features with enhancing Siri, and you're gonna be able to improve or upgrade your urgent messages. And for Siri, I actually noticed that you're gonna be able to ask her for your ID number, for example, if she supports or if they support AI with that. So Siri will be more intelligent and more capable of getting the information really fast. So let's know in the comments of this video. Hope you don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for